welcome to the channel. Earlier today I got a bunch of stuff, one HeroClix, a controller case, some Star Wars Unlimited cards, one of my shells for Switch Lite. Now I got another package here. Wasn't expecting this one, they never buzzed me or anything. Oh, there's a few items in here. Okay. Oh, just two items. Okay, it felt like more than one. I'll open up this one. That one might be my power adapter for my Switch Lites. I ordered 3 power adapters. That might be one of them. Or I could be wrong entirely. Oh, okay, my aux extension cables. I got one that was only like half a meter long, and then I got a couple other ones. This one is 3 meters, and this one is 5 meters. Alright, so I can link them together, or I can oh no. Oh yeah, I forgot I ordered this. I ordered another magic arm for my tripod for my capture device. That's right. Okay, it's not my power adapter. I do have 3 of those coming. Okay. Oh, that's still pretty awesome. Oh no, that stays on this. That comes off, because I'm not going to need that. That's not for shoe mount. Okay, awesome. Sweet. I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a good one.